Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Self-Respect from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Self-respect. Self-respect is knowing when you had enough. Self-respect is knowing when someone is taking you for granted. Self-respect is caring for yourself enough that you don't allow others to make you feel less than who you are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And it's true. You can't let others judge you and allow that to diminish how you feel about yourself. Your opinion should be number one. I believe that. I believe that with my heart and my soul. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.